The course grid is a useful tool for making edits to your transfer credit before pushing it into your SIS. Starting with the sort functionality, you can sort each column in ascending or descending order by double-clicking on its header. Select the magnifying glass to use find and replace to find values and make multiple changes to subjects, catalog numbers, titles, grades, or other fields. You can specify an exact cell match, which is the default, or a partial cell match. You can specify a case-sensitive match or non-case-sensitive match. The cells containing the items to be changed will show as highlighted. If you want to change the values found, enter the new value that will replace the old ones. Select Replace All to make your changes. This will only replace the characters or character strings that match what you typed in the Find area. If you want to undo the changes, you need to select Undo for each cell that was changed, and the changes will be undone in reverse order.